Hey everyone, here's what's moving today. The big US stock market index, the S&P 500, eased just a bit. Bitcoin, the well-known digital currency, also slipped a little. Gold prices were up about 1.5%. Oil also gained around 1%. The US fired on a ship, escalating Mideast tensions with Iran, a major geopolitical concern. Meanwhile, CME launched AI computing futures. KKR and Co. was up about 7% today, boosted by news of an NVIDIA AI partnership and an Indian hospital acquisition. Looking at the sector map today, energy was the strongest, up 1.25%, while real estate was the weakest, falling about 0.75%. Overall, 7 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors saw declines, with 4 moving higher. Today, 2 of the Magnificent 7 tech stocks moved higher. Alphabet was the biggest mover, down about 4%. The S&P 500 fund and Nasdaq 100 fund both edged lower, where NLR was the biggest mover, up almost 2%. The semiconductor fund edged higher, but overall sectors were mixed. Intel saw the most trading today, with about 160 million shares. SpaceX and NVIDIA were also busy. Most of the busiest names closed lower. Simon Property beat estimates yesterday, and Applied Materials results are still to come later this week. Also, Welltower goes ex-dividend tomorrow. The 5-year Treasury yield is 4.38%, the 10-year 4.68%, down 2 basis points, and the 30-year is 5.24%. The long-term Treasury fund up about 0.25%, with overall yields edging a little lower. The US dollar index firmed slightly today. The Japanese yen weakened about 1% against the dollar, and the Korean won also weakened about 0.75%. Looking at world markets, Asian markets were mixed overnight, and European markets closed mixed. The biggest move we saw outside the US was Brazil's Bovespa index, which fell by about 2%. Oil surged about 7% today, and natural gas climbed about 4%. Beyond that energy strength, precious metals rallied sharply, copper edged up, and grains remained mixed. Bitcoin dipped about 1% today, trading around $64,000. Ethereum also dipped, while altcoins and most equities held steady, and Marathon gained. Rising tensions could push oil prices towards about $86 a barrel, which might make everything a bit more expensive. The Models watch list is cumulatively up about 3% after 2 months, with 3 new names for this month. That wraps up today's briefing. We'll be back tomorrow.